Hi guys, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and today we're going to do an Envee kit tutorial. So this is the work we do behind the scenes at the garden center so that you go home with a beautiful product. And if you haven't followed our page before or seen our Envee kits, they are a concept that we designed in store, and what it is you're gonna go home with this beautiful little plant pot. This is called a plant pie, and we're going to fill it with 9 different plants, and this mix in particular today is called Delilah. So we have right now we have 10 different designs for this program, and this is the Delilah. As you can see, it's beautiful creams and whites and yellows and greenery, and this mix is very good for a shady spot. So what you can do if you purchase this at our garden center, when you take it home, you transplant it into a planter. This pie is 11 inches, but this mix is really designed for anything up to 20 inches. So whether your planter is 12 inches all the way up to 20 inches, this will fill out that size of a pot really well. So I'm gonna show you what we do to make these kits. And when you purchase this, you get the little card and the design info on the back of the card as well to take home with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This mix has a beautiful mocha non-stop yellow begonia. So I'm just gonna grab one of these guys for you. And something really important when you're planting your begonias to note is that begonias have a really pointy leaf, and that point is the direction that the flowers will come out. So when you get this home and you're planting it, you want to make sure the leaf is pointing to the direction that you'll really get to enjoy it the most. Another really important thing about planting begonias is they do not like to have extra soil up on their stem. You definitely want to have that nice and level. So we're going to have that nice and level. Now we're going to plant in 2 of our ivies. So this is our English ivy gold child. It's got the beautiful greenery edged in that creamy yellow. So we're gonna pull 2 of these out of here and put one at the front and one at the back of the circle. And this will give us a really full symmetrical looking basket. So the next plant we have for this mix is Terenia. And if you're not familiar with Terenia, it gets a beautiful yellow flower. This is a yellow Terenia, so it gets a beautiful yellow flower. It's semi-mounding and trailing. You could put a whole bunch in a hanging basket, and it would give you a really nice full kind of trailing look. It's also great in a mix like this. It'll fill in beautifully into your planter. So I'm gonna put that in this edge. I'm gonna put one on this edge. Again, that gives us a really symmetrical looking pot. This mix could go either in a planter or it could go in a hanging basket. So the next item we have in this mix is that beautiful pansy. So if you take a look, this is the Frizzle Sizzle Lemonade. So the lemonade can be cream and yellow. It might be more creamy or more yellow, but it has, the pansy petals have that beautiful frilly edge. So I'm gonna put in 2 of those guys. And then we'll have 1 more plant. So all of the Envee kits have 9 plants. They're designed that way so that you have a really, really full planter or basket at home. We want to make sure that you're going home with something that's really going to have that custom look. So Bacopa, if you weren't sure, this is Bacopa. This is white. Bacopa does come in more colors. Comes in lavenders and pinks. So I'm going to put 2 Bacopa into here. Again, we're going to put them opposite of each other so we have a really full symmetrical planter. Beautiful. So that is how we start our Envee kits, and these take at least a month to grow and fill in before they're ready to go home. And we'll do another video showing you how to take this Envee kit and to transplant it easily into your container at home. And please stay tuned for the other varieties that we have in our Envee kit line. If you are a garden center watching this, these cards are available to purchase. and you can plant these up in your own garden center or use the cards during workshops or as staff guide sheets for planting. So thanks for watching today, guys, and we'll see you soon.